Product strategy. Goals of a product strategy. Vision provides the big picture of what the company is trying to achieve. Without vision, it will be difficult for stakeholders to understand its direction and it will lack connection to a broader picture. Product strategy is being achieved by the product roadmap. While the product strategy outlines the elements of the product and the company's target market, the product roadmap explains how you will do it. Big picture context provides the background of each feature and how it relates to larger goals. It also includes details in which certain features will be built, and in what order. Initiatives are the high-level efforts that will help you achieve your goal. For example, performance improvements and expansion of markets. Elements. Process. Product life cycle concept. The product life cycle concept consists of 4 stages: introduction, growth, maturity, obsolescence. It outlines the stages the product was first introduced into the market until it is finally removed from the market. The length of the life cycle, duration of each stage and the shape of the curve vary widely for different products. Not all products reach the final stage and some may continue to rise or even fall. Introduction. Growth. Maturity. Decline. Obsolescence. To extend the life of the product, techniques include advertising, price reduction, attract new customers, adding value to the product, new features, explore new markets, selling your product overseas, and new packaging, freshen up old packaging. Pros. Cons. Example. Product differentiation occurs when you have to distinguish a certain product in the marketplace as you're competing for a product that bring about the same need, for example tea, amongst different firms. In order to do so, your aim is to make the product more attractive to the marketplace compared to other competitors. This does not only include price, but also features of your product, quality, packaging, benefits and services. Successful product differentiation creates a comparative advantage for the firm. For example, your competitor in the market sells TA but you sell TB, you will then have to focus on producing TB so that your customers find your product to be more appealing, in terms of price, taste and services, compared to your competitor. Product platform strategy. Beyond individual product strategy is platform strategy, where the focus is on multiple products. There are 2 very different types of platforms: digital platforms in technology, and physical platforms in other fields. A digital platform is an ecosystem designed to enable different groups to co-create value through plug-and-play capabilities. The technology infrastructure of the platform touches customers and developers beyond the firm's boundaries. LinkedIn, Facebook, Google and Amazon, in fact most technology businesses, have platform-based business models. Physical platforms in other industries refer to product family or product portfolio platforms intended to reduce manufacturing and development costs for new products. In this case a platform is a common architecture, collection of assets, component designs, subsystems, or other elements shared by several products. Given that the components and subsystems have already been debugged and tested, the resulting products should have higher quality. Since platform development occurs less frequently than product development, major platform decisions do not need to be made as often. This has the potential to foster lean product development. However, there are downsides: high upfront costs, risk of platform obsolescence, risk of platform recall affecting numerous products, and potential duplication of effort.